Make an effort, brothers and sisters. Here we're just brothers, but those who might listen to this later, include the sisters, to learn the names of Allah. There's a hadith that says whoever memorizes 99 names of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He'll grant them Jannah. The term used is Man ahsaha aw hafidhaha dakhala al-Jannah. Whoever has encompassed them or memorized them, they'll enter paradise. Because now you know Allah. You understand who He is. You know the balance of the names and qualities of Allah. So you see this book, The 99 Names by Kuwa. It's one of those books that have gathered the 99 names of Allah in a unique way, and it explains a small explanation of what each name is. Nowadays you have little children, including some of my children, at madrasa they learn the 99 names. They can rattle them out, they can sing them to you. Ya man huwa Allahu alladhi la ilaha illa huwa, and so on. Can we do that? Wallahi, it's not difficult. A few names of the names of Allah, and try to know all of them. Imagine if you were able today to say all the 99 names of Allah. Between you and Allah, you'd be happy about it. It's one of your tickets to paradise. Wallahi, it's a sahih narration that says 99 names of Allah. Whoever encompasses them, memorizes them, they will get paradise. Ultimately, because you've recognized your Maker. He's all hearing, He's all knowing, He's forgiving, He's merciful, and yet He is just. So there's names that would instill within you the awe, and names that would instill within you the hope. All of that, the balance of it is in the names of Allah. And may Allah grant us the ability to recite these names the next time we meet. And I'm dead serious about this. For our benefit. These names, they are the names of your Maker and the qualities of your Maker. If you learn them, you've done yourself one of the biggest favors that you could ever do. There are other favors like learning the Quran and so on. Indeed, this is something that's simple, man. It requires dedication for 1 week only. And you know how? Can I give you a hack? Listen to it over and over and over and over and over again on your phone. That's it. I remember a brother who told me, I learned the 99 names of Allah because I put them as a ringtone. I said, no, brother. Because why? You're going to have to cut that tone at a certain point to answer the phone, unless you're going to just leave it until all the names are up. By that time the guy's not this. I said, to me it's disrespectful to the adhan or the Quran or the names of Allah to use them as a ringtone, because they are far more sacred than a ringtone. But I understood what he's saying. He's trying to say, well, I learned them through that. I guess that perhaps after a little while, when he learned the first few, he must have then changed the ringtone to start at the next set of names. Well, I don't know how I didn't really get to the details, but you would have to do that. Whatever the strategy is, let's make an effort. Think about it. It's not hard. We can do 10 names at a time. In 10 days, we're done. May Allah make it easy. Should we set ourselves a challenge? Okay, we've created a little WhatsApp group. Let's not get out of that group until we know the names of Allah. May Allah bless you all. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Sallallahu wa sallam ala nabina Muhammad. Barakallahu feek.